The most critical foundation of your daily wardrobe is also the most frequently neglected, your underwear. For decades, the lingerie industry prioritized visual appeal over structural engineering. Bras were designed to look good on a shelf and push up a bust line, rather than actually supporting a woman's body. That aesthetic-first mindset has physical consequences today. Wearing poorly designed base layers leads directly to backaches, severe chafing, and constant distracting discomfort that ruins your focus. This chart shows the sheer scale of the sizing failure. Right now, a staggering 85% of women are wearing the wrong bra size. The industry's reliance on conventional cotton creates a secondary health risk. Conventional farming for these fabrics accounts for 16% of global toxic insecticide sales, meaning those chemicals are often in constant contact with your most sensitive skin. The good news is the market has recently exploded with specialized, sustainable solutions. The bad news is that navigating all the marketing claims is completely overwhelming. To solve this, we are going to replace standard purchasing guesswork with a strict evaluation matrix. We need to evaluate every piece of intimate apparel based on 3 criteria: fit, fabric, and function. Upgrading your base layer means breaking the habit of buying generic multi-packs. Making intentional investments here yields compounding daily returns in your physical comfort and long-term systemic health. Phase 1 of our matrix evaluates structural support. A bra is a highly complex garment that requires precision engineering tailored to your exact frame. You can find your true baseline at home by pulling a soft measuring tape taut directly under your breasts, snug against your ribcage. To calculate your US band size, simply take that number and add 4 inches if it is even, or 5 inches if it is odd. Next, measure your overbust at the fullest part of your chest. Subtract your band size from this new number to find your cup size, where every inch of difference equals 1 cup size. 1 inch is an A, 2 is a B, and so on. Once you have the right size, you will see 2 physical outcomes. First, the center fabric between the cups, called the gore, must lie completely flat against your sternum. If it floats, the cup is too small. Second, the band should be snug enough to carry 80 to 90% of the bust's weight. This relieves your shoulder straps from doing the heavy lifting. Achieving this precision often requires looking past standard retailers and finding specialized brands engineered specifically for petite frames, closer set wires, or fuller busts. The trade-off here is straightforward. To achieve true structural support, you have to abandon the convenience of cheap, mass-market brands and invest the time to calculate precise, specialized sizing. Moving down to bottoms, the modern classification of underwear styles is a system designed to balance physical coverage with outfit invisibility. Thongs and G-strings are strictly functional tools. Their zero back coverage design completely eliminates visible panty lines under tight dresses or leggings. If that cut is too bare, cheeky or tanga styles offer a compromise. They provide moderate back coverage while remaining discreet under most fabrics. For everyday wear, the bikini and the hipster are designed to sit securely below the natural waistline of your jeans, preventing accidental exposure. When you wear high-waisted pants, full coverage briefs provide the necessary high-rise support without bunching. And for active days, the boyshort extends down the upper thigh, making it the definitive defense against skin chafing. The style you choose should be dictated entirely by the specific friction of your day. Phase 2 of our matrix evaluates the health impact of your fabrics. These garments rest against highly sensitive skin for extended periods, making material choice critical.
The conventional fashion industry relies on highly damaging practices. Conventional cotton is intensely water-dependent and relies heavily on pesticides, making it one of the dirtiest crops on the planet. Synthetic undergarments carry their own hidden dangers. Many are treated with toxic dyes and PFAS, forever chemicals linked to endocrine disruption. The strict solution is to look for the Global Organic Textile Standard, or GOTS, certification. This guarantees you are buying pesticide-free organic cotton. You should also check for the OEKO-TEX Standard 100 certification, which ensures the final garment has been strictly tested and proven safe from heavy metals and PFAS. Beyond raw materials, new mechanical innovations like seamless 3D knitting build garments thread by thread, removing irritating seams and chafing points entirely. The trade-off here is financial. Upgrading to GOTS or OEKO-TEX certified materials carries a higher upfront cost, but it eliminates daily toxic exposure and guarantees hypoallergenic breathability. Phase 3 of our matrix evaluates high-tech utility garments. These are pieces engineered to actively manage biological functions and physical mechanics. This diagram shows the mechanics of period-proof underwear, a technology built to replace disposable plastics. It uses a top moisture-wicking layer to keep skin dry, a thick middle absorbent core to hold liquid, and a bottom waterproof barrier to prevent leaks. That bottom waterproof layer is typically a polyurethane laminate, or PUL, barrier, which ensures nothing passes through to your clothing. But there is a functional limit. If you wear regular period underwear into a pool, the absorbent core will soak up the outside water. You have to purchase specialized period swimwear with a water-repellent shell for swimming. Utility garments also extend to the upper body. Smart bras are designed with high-tension fabric panels to physically pull your shoulders back and correct the alignment issues caused by tech neck. The cutting edge involves e-textiles, where biometric sensors and conductive threads are woven directly into the fabric to track your heart rate during a workout. The trade-off of utility gear is demanding. It solves profound physical issues like leaks, back pain, or data tracking, but it requires rigid maintenance, like air drying your period wear, and the garments can feel highly restrictive compared to basic lounging apparel. This chart shows how to navigate your options. Upgrading your intimates means matching specialized engineering to your most urgent daily friction point, splitting shoppers into 3 distinct profiles. First, the Health Optimizer. This path shows that if your primary concern is sensitive skin and long-term toxin reduction, you should prioritize GOTS and OEKO-TEX certifications for maximum safety and biodegradability. Next, the Problem Solver. This path shows that if you are dealing with specific biological or physical hurdles, you need to invest in PUL period tech for cycle management or high-tension bras for structural posture correction. Finally, the Over-It Shopper. This user is tired of sizing guesswork entirely and should utilize brands offering AI virtual fitting rooms to generate precise 3D avatars before purchasing. This matrix also reflects a market shift toward accurate representation. Brands now offer extensive shade ranges designed to match the full spectrum of melanin levels, replacing the industry's previous reliance on a single beige nude. To mitigate the financial risk of these specialized upgrades, only buy from retailers that offer extended return policies. You need a window that allows for genuine wear testing in the real world. Stop accepting daily discomfort as an inevitable part of dressing. Use this matrix to target your specific friction points and treat your base layer as a functional investment in your daily health.